Good morning everyone. I am Vaishnavi from 8th standard. I belong to Dhruv House. Today on the occasion of National Mathematics Day, which celebrates as the birth anniversary of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, we the students of class 6, 7, 8 are representing a small skit which deals with the importance of BODMAS. Now welcome them. Problems, problems and problems. My life is full of problems, dull and boring. Counting, 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 always counting. I am done with these problems.
Hey everyone,
Hey, who are you?
I will introduce myself. I am addition and I know that I am very useful to you. I can increase your maths, so please do not try to avoid me.
But how can do you this?
Take this number 3 and 2. If you add this number, your answer is 5.
Oh wow, so cool. With addition, we can add so many new numbers. I am so happy. But can you tell me how can I decrease my value?
I can.
Hey, who are you?
I can decrease your value. Take number 3 and 2. If I come between 3 and 2, then your value will be 1.
Oh wow, so cool.
Repeat and addition, repeat and addition, repeat and addition.
Hey, who are you?
I am multiplication. When you want, you add numbers again and again. I can make your calculation very easy.
Oh wow.
Hey, I am brother of multiplication. Here you go. To more operation. Do you want to meet?
Yes, I am so excited.
Hi everyone, I am divided when to want share equally. I can make your calculation easy.
Hi, I am bracket. My rules is to catch all the operations and kept in a box.
Oh wow, so many operations to deal with. Let's play with numbers.
Let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play.
Okay, stop. Too many operations to deal with.
Wait, I will explain. You can play with these numbers according to sequence like B bracket, O, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction.
So dear friends, math is all about numbers, formulas, operations and orders. Mathematics teaches us that every problem has a solution. Thank you.